Like this video, even AI likes to eat a lot, and it doesn't feed upon words. It feeds upon something known as tokens. When you type something on ChatGPT, it doesn't read it like we humans do. It breaks down the sentence into smaller chunks of text known as tokens. A token can be a small piece of word, a full word, a punctuation, or even a small space. It's like ordering a pizza. The AI gets the pizza, it doesn't eat the pizza as a whole, it eats the slices. Now let's take an example. Here we have a sentence which says, I love artificial intelligence. The AI won't read I love artificial intelligence as a whole. It is going to split it. Like I love artificial intelligence. See that? One sentence, multiple tokens. Now you may be wondering, why are tokens so important? The answer is very simple. The more number of tokens consumed, the more you are going to pay for it. Tokens are never fixed to a single word. They diversify over language, words, the total number of count, etc. Let's assume you gave a very small prompt. But for AI, it's still a buffet. And now you know AI doesn't understand words, it understands tokens. And why tokens are so important when you are using AI. For more bite sized tech explainer like these, like, share, follow, and subscribe.